Good day, people. Goeiedag, mensen. It's the 20th Saturday, June 2026. Right, and then it's yeah, now the waterfalls we're looking at are there. Let's have a look at them. Okay, I have one there. The Outkloof stopped flowing, but the waterfalls up there, that one there, it's still flowing, and this one down here also still flowing, and it's now 18 days after it started to flow, and that's a record. This far, I've never seen this ever in my life. Ek het nog nooit in my lewe dit teëgekom. So laat ons gaan met die weg aan. So ek sien nie so ver nie. Right. I must go there. I want to go to the Gamka private farm estate. So let's go to the river again today. Now there was a rockfall a few years ago, en daar was 'n rotsval van daarbo. With this severely storm we had, with this rainstorm we had, om die storm het ons nog van die rotse gekry, so another few rocks came down. See, there are now 3 rocks, but I think one went down here to my neighbor's place, and I think it's standing on the roadside. Let's go down this terrible road. Here it is. So it came from above and it landed here, and a few of its colleagues also came down there and here. Okay. So I come from the bottom there into the Gamka private farm estate again, and this is the bridge, and the water is still flowing strong here, and I passed over the bridge, and now we're going to a place where somebody wanted to build, plek waar iemand wou gebou het. So this guy wanted to build a house in here, so they made the road for him. Hulle het 'n weg gemaak hierin, want iemand wou hier gebou het, 'n huis gebou het. They wanted to build a house in here. So let's walk down the road. This was all flooded with the flood. As you can see, all the debris still on the trees. You can see all die opdryfsels in die bome. En dit is die weg hierdie na sy plek waar hy huis wou gebou het. On his way to this road is the way to his house, or where he wanted to build the house. And now the river is down there. And the road went along here. I have to climb the sand bank, the sandbank. Ooh, what a deep story is this? Okay, get down here. Up. Deep gorge. Het 'n diep sloot gekrap is gespoel hier. Deep gorge, yeah. But let's go up the road to the place he wanted to build his house. So I'm going to view it from the top now. So the water was up here, up this tree, up these trees. So the tributary is still on there. And let's see. There by the bush. So the water came along here. And I don't think it's a good idea to build a house on top of here. Ek dink nie dis 'n goeie idee om 'n huis hier bo op te bou nie. So let's go closer to by die afgrond, to the embankment. There the water was. So it was chowing on this piece of ground there, where the house, we wanted to build a house here, and the water was there, taking the soil away, the old ground here away. Don't want to stand too close to the edge, but it was close by. Look at the gorge from the deep gorge it made. Het 'n vreeslike sloot gespoel hier. Ja, it's heel erg. And that's a road up there. That's a machine they fixing the road with, the excavator. So the road comes up here and then it goes along that direction to the north. Goed, hy gaan noordwaarts weg daar, die pad, kom so, en dan gaan het soontoe, en het gaan uitgespoel daar, en hier het die water gekom tot boven, tot daar, very close to this embankment there, a flat place where the house would have been. In 1981 and in 2000 flood, the water was very high. So another meter from that spot would have been here all around. So meter or meter and a half, this house would have been underwater back then. There we can see the bridge in the distance, the Gamka Bridge, the one I've made videos of, so many videos of. Into the bridge, there you can see the bridge, and in the distance there is the bridge. The water slammed against the bridge and splattered on top of the bridge before it went down again. Alright. Fortunately, 2 days before, the water stopped coming down because the rain stopped. And remember, it's like a desert. This is on those is the woestyn, die water, so dit reën storm en dan stop dit dadelik. En dit geen wolke die volgende dag. So it comes down with a force and cloud burst, and then all of a sudden there's nothing, no more rain, and next day the sun is shining nicely and brightly. but then the water is still coming down the river, and that is what happened here. Because on the 2nd and the 3rd it rained a lot there, and on the 5th this happened. So 5de Junie het dit gebeur. So 5th of June, the afternoon 5 o'clock, it came to the peak, yeah, close by, just there, one step down, 2,000 flood, and so would have been higher on this plateau here where they wanted to build a house. So I don't know what is going to do, because they paid a lot of money for this property, and I won't build a house here on this property. So now this property is now actually useless, or somewhat of the iets van die aard, something like that. Okay, now I go back to the bakkie there. The pickup is there, and then I go on with the road. I must now go along this road here, down here again, all along the rocks to my pick up the bakkie there. Okay, let's go walk down there. Oh, I come down there. Now I must go through here. Here where the water washed the road away. Waar die weggespoel het. And then I must climb up on the other side. And then the road went along here, over the sandbank. There is the river. And then made the right turn and back to the pickup. So now I'm in the pickup. I got now any bakkie. Turn on the key and pull this button. Knob, dat ook een knop trek. En aan met die weg. How it's washed out. There are the two houses over across the river again. Now where did I lose my jersey? Let's see where I lost my jersey. Must have been somewhere. So then you walk down here from the road. That's the road. And I came from that direction. There it's very windy. So let's walk down here. Okay, this is the canal or sloot or whatever you want to call it for the water, for irrigation, because these were all different farmlands here, and now it's gone. Actually, it happened in 81 already. All the farmland went down, and now even worse. So it's more open than then. And those days, it's now more open. Only rocks, as you can see down there. Look at all the rocks down there. No farmland, only rocks and trees. Right up to there. From above, downstream, slowly. Okay, and this embankment is quite steep down here where I'm standing. Nog hoog hier af. Nou daar is 'n rotse daaronder. Quite a distance, 7 meters or so. And then it goes more or less level, and then it has a drop down to there, down there. That's also what much, another meter or so. So 9 meters from this point, and the water went there, along here. Okay, let's go back to the road. The road is up there. Weg is daarbo. Go on with this road up that direction. This is where I turned yesterday with the station wagon. Gister hier omgedraai met die stasiewa. Just there. I see he leveled the place out now. The rocks are gone. Between this and the fence there, tussen die heining en die kraans hier so. Dit het skoon gekrap hier so bietjie met die excavator. So here was water all the way from the left hand side, from that mountain the other side, over this fence, right against the embankment there, up there. Daar was alles water. So gaan aan met die so weg. En die debris in die gate. Al die opdrijfsters in die hek en die heining, die fence. On the left hand side there is still a land here. This land is okay. It's not good, bad, because it's quite high up from the river. The river went down, more down that direction, and it just flowed slowly through the fence here with all the debris on it, so it didn't damage the road here. Het nie die weg hier so beskadig die pad nie, want dit stadig hier deur die heining gekom. En die land is nog baie goed. Water was meer daai kant. more down there. I'm still in Gamka private farm estate. Ek is nog steeds in die Gamka privaat wat is het, grond of wat ek al noem. And I'm going to stop here. I hope nobody is coming from the front or back, from behind. And let's have a look at this quickly here. That's windy. Maybe I can stop the wind somewhat like this. Okay, let's see what this river did down there. Looking from above, van boven af te kyk. Okay, the land hier is nog goed. This land down there is still good. This one here. And the river went right across on the other side. Let's zoom out there. See there, on the other side, that's how the embankment looks like now, after the flood. Lyk soos na die vloed aan die oorkant. Daar's 'n weg daar aan die kant, wat nou nie baie goed lyk daar nie. Quite on the edge. The road there is quite on the edge. Okay, sorry, it goes up there. Now up. So the water was all over here. Water was oral hier. Oops, stadig, slowly. Interesting. Good. Now back to the bucket, to the pickup. There's the road. So the road goes down here now. I'm just going down here. There's a house there, but I'm just going down here. Zip, zip, and down, turn and come back. Right. The road goes down again. And there is another house up there. En nog een huis boven daar. Nou hier omdraai onder. And this corner here, bend, wat ook al, om het draai hier zo. Down there and they come up there. So van hier af, kyk of ek kan hier draai na links. See if I can turn to the left here. Right, there we go. Turn left. So, and go up there. Right, now we go back. Dan gaan ons weer terug. where I made the video just now. Now I'm going to that direction. That's where I live. On the mountains there in the distance. Daar in die berg en die distansie, daar bly ek. Woon ek daar. Ek woon daar anders. Live there. Stopping this video here. Film video some more later. Alles olijfbome hierso. These are all olive trees. Orchard of olive trees. And orchard boord met baie heel veel olijfbome. Let's video this lot. I go down into this creek there. This dry creek. It was full of water when it was raining. But now it's dry. There's no droog kloof. Up the other side. Okay, so our house is about there. Oh, how is it? Where is it? Oh, I think it's about there. There. Dink is omtrent daar die huis. There's a mountain there. There. So, back. And I'll go on with the road. I'm not going to video anymore. It's close to a farm here. Ten naby aan privaat eiendom, private property. Too close to private property. Now this fence is game reserve, type of a game reserve. So I must go slowly, not to make a noise. That's now in his backyard. There is the house. So sables and springbok and sables. Swart and wit pens they call it. Let's go on with the road. So this land was also not in the water. Die land het ook nie in die water gewees nie. Was it in the water? I don't know. I can't see debris on the fence here. It's nie opdrijfsels en die draaduining hier. Nothing, niks. It's only more to the bottom there. Meer daarna onder. So die water het so gekom over the bottom of this land. I think the water was here. This was water. The water was here. The coloring of the grass is grey. So the water was flowing here. You saw the water flowing. So this was underwater. This part. Yeah, deeper and deeper. There you can see the debris. Al hoe hoër hier became all higher and higher up the fence. Deeper and deeper the water became, and here it started to mess up the road. So that it began om die weg op te voeten. Like the fence, Kate made a video just now. Here it was right up over the fence. Over die einde gekom. High up there. This is where the back actor was working yesterday. That's what it excavator althans. The excavator work there. Not the back actor. The excavator. Back actor has a loader at the front and the digger at the back, and this is where I made the U-turn. Yeah, I parked across there with one shot. The previous video, what was it? Video number 17, 18? This must be 90. Okay, the water was right up to here. And down onto this road here. All the way. It's flowing here. On top. Hoe op die plateau het hy gedaan? Gevloei die water. Yeah, is it? Did I turn there? I don't know. Or did I turn here? Front. See now. So no cake. See. I don't remember this. Yeah, it must have been there. Not here. Yeah. So I did turn there. Ek het daar gedraai, want hier is nog op. This is up here. No water went up here. The water was down there. And there are the houses that just made it. Next time they won't be so lucky, I think. They were lucky this time. Maar hulle was baie gelukkig die keer dat hy nie so hoog gekom het. is a place where the guy wanted to build his house. And just stop here where I go down to the groove that Lord have made, and there, on there, daarbo, daar, no, daar, that's where he wanted to build his house, up there, daarbo. That's a dangerous place to build. Then stop here, there. Oh, come on, finger there. Up there. Not good to build there, dangerous. If the water comes down here, it washes it off, away. Goed, gaan aan met deze weg. It's a rocky. Rock on the road. That's a road into where the house was. Oh. The house was wanted to build the house. That's a road I walked down just now. Stop here, so. Let's go on with this road. That woman there in the mirror asked me, what am I doing here? What do I here? I said, I'm just looking at the water. It's very interesting to look at this flood going on. I just stood still for a few moments and seconds and then said, oh, okay. So this is all water, yeah. Was all water, yeah. As you can see here. And nicely washed away the topsoil. So we have to drive on rocks, or ride on rocks or whatever, drive over rocks. Oor 'n rotse ry. So nou heel naby aan die huis. Nie van die huis nie. Want daar is die berg. By die rivier, the mountain at the river, and that you can see from our place. If you look eastbound. Nou, ooste kyk aan kan jy daai berg sien. Okay, I must go slower there. Now, very terrible. Bad. To the right. Alright, this is the last bit of the bag. Right. See, the water went down this land here. Came from that direction and went down here to the left. Na linkerkant. by the gate. Water het opgehou net hier voor die hek. This time. Hierdie keer. Hierdie. Alright. Oops. And there is the Hamka Bridge. And that's the mountain I'm talking about it to the east. And there is our mountain there. So now I must say bye-bye from this video, hopefully. And dankie vir subscripsie, dankie vir this subscription. Have a nice time. Bly veilig, stay safe. Thank you for viewing this video. Dankie dat jy na deze video gekyk het. Now I see on the selfie everything is upside down. Okay. So it's like a mirror. A selfie. That's not good. It is nie goed nie. A selfie is honest to boer. Right. You can see there in the writing of the everything is upside down. Alles agterste voor om alles te bo. Right. This is also upside down. Right. Back to front. Goed. Bye. Tot ziens. Tot de volgende video. Until the next video.